Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A funnel, universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 6 quarts of 530 conventional engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first I'm going to be opening up the engine oil filler cap. Putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. Okay. So we're under the vehicle. I'm going to remove this engine oil drain plug. It's going to be on the passenger side rear of the engine. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on my drain plug. Okay, so I'm gonna be replacing the engine oil filter. It's gonna be on the driver's side rear of the engine. So I'm gonna be using my cup type oil filter wrench and unscrewing the filter. So I'm going to be putting on my new filter. I'm going to be putting some oil around my seal. That way when you screw it on, it just slides on. So you're checking the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck to the block. If there is, remove it. Okay, so there's no rubber seal on the block, so we're going to just wipe it down. And screw on the new filter. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to be adding in my oil. So I'm going to be adding in a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel, putting on my oil filler cap. Now we're going to start up the engine and check the oil level. Okay, so I'm going to start up the engine. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. Now you can shut it off. Okay, so I'm going to be checking my engine oil level. There's 2 dipsticks right here. This yellow one and this red one. This yellow one is for the engine oil. This red one is for the transmission oil. So I'm going to be pulling out this yellow dipstick and wiping it down. So putting it back in, pulling it out, and checking the oil level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. So that's how you change an engine oil and oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.